Texas Panhandle, southern half of the Texas Panhandle. We're near Florida, Texas, and watch out this guy. And we've got a very impressive supercell that's developed. Got a pronounced hook to it, classic supercell structure, and we're about 15 minutes away from intercepting. Okay, we're gonna get hit with a lot of debris here, guys. Keep her on the road, we're gonna get hit with a lot of debris.
It's just a customer.
Off the right-hand side appears to be our area of circulation now, more so than our left-hand side. It looks to be building up over here, so this is going to be our area of interest, and actually this is the way the winds are flowing in now, from our left-hand side to our right-hand side. We finished up a long day of chasing and heading back to Saskatchewan. Such a jerk. Finished up a long day of chasing in Texas and stopped for some Subway and realized Ricky's been driving for 60 miles on a flat tire. So fortunately, even though it was after 7 o'clock at night, we were able to find somebody to get it fixed. We're just waiting for him to come back with our tire, get it on the truck, and finish our grind back to Saskatchewan. I have to be there in 22 hours.